free yourself of trying to play facade with human beings. That's why I used to tell people, if you want to sin, sin. Don't hide it. Yeah, I encourage sinners to sin. It is normal for sinner to sin. The truth is that whether you like it or not, you can't save yourself from sin. Say, yes, I've tried. God does not save me. Okay, continue to sin. Are you getting me? So you don't need to play facade with any pastor. Don't impress no one. If you understand the attribute of God as omnipresent, anywhere I have is there. And when you have that understanding, you will not wait until Sunday to ask for forgiveness of sin. You will not need to wait till Lenten time to now wanting to pay penance for your sin. You don't need any priest. You don't need whether high, low, or middle priest. If you understand that God is omnipresent, is everywhere, and he is omniscience, he knows all things. Even the thought that you will think tomorrow, he knows. And you need to know that our thoughts are louder than our voice.